Want your edits to look this smooth, from normal FPS to clean and smooth motion? In the previous video I showed method 1 using Flowframes. Flowframes works really well, but for some editors it can feel a little hard to use. So in this method we are going to use another software called Topaz Video AI. This method gives you smooth FPS results, but it is easier to use and takes way less time. So let's start inside After Effects. First, prepare your clip in After Effects. Use the same composition settings as your original clip. For my clip, the FPS is 23.976, so I'm keeping the composition at 23.976 FPS. After that, render your clip using these settings. Set the format to QuickTime. Then in the format options, select Apple ProRes 4444. Now go to the render settings and set the color depth to 16 bits per channel. After that, start the render. Once the render is complete, open Topaz Video AI. I'm using Topaz Video AI version 7.1.6. Now import your 23.976 frames per second video into Topaz. After importing, copy my settings. Select Frame Interpolation. Set the output FPS to 60 FPS. Then select the Chronos Fast model. Now enable duplicate frames. Set the sensitivity to 10. After that, start the render and let Topaz finish the process. Once the render is complete, go back to After Effects. Now create a new composition and set it to 60 frames per second. Import your new 60 frames per second Topaz clip into this composition. After that, enable frame blending. Also turn on motion blur to make the movement look even smoother. And that's it. Now your clip has much smoother motion and looks cleaner for edits. Here is the final result after applying my color correction. That was method 2 using Topaz Video AI. This method is easier and faster than Flowframes, especially if you want smooth FPS results without changing too many settings. You can use either method 1 or method 2 depending on your workflow. Flowframes is great if you want more control, and Topaz Video AI is great if you want a faster and easier method. So try both methods and see which one works better for your edits. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more After Effects tutorials and editing workflows.